I'm sure you heard this many times, at least in my videos, that thoughts become things. Today I want to add something in it, and that is words we speak make our mind. So today I have 3 words for replacement of the word problem. So from today you will never speak this word problem. Instead of problem, speak situation. You say there is a situation, not this one, there is a situation. Situation can be both positive and negative, and situation also mean that it needs to be handled. Situation does not mean negativity. Situation mean that this situation either is a good situation, okay, get benefit from it, either it's a bad situation, it needs handling, you need to handle it. So use the word situation. The second thing is that instead of using this word, you need to use the word challenge. There is a challenge. So let's say the privacy is a challenge. Privacy is not a problem. Privacy is a challenge for those people who are working on it. If you are an enabler, if you are someone who loves to work on the thing, so for you there is a challenge. You need to solve this thing challenge. So how to be a man, there is one book summary, I would link it over here. This is that whenever you want the boys to get something done, challenge them. That is challenge for you. Or if you see all the successful people, they say we were challenged by our people. Someone said to me that you cannot do this. I said I will do it. What is that? It's a challenge. So the second word will be challenge. Instead of using this word, you will use challenge. First situation, then challenge, and the third thing is you will use an opportunity. It's an opportunity. The COVID-19 is a pandemic, no doubt. It is a bad thing happened to humanity, but it also made many heroes. New Zealand mask event, the terrorist event happened in the New Zealand, that also created some leaders. So the bad situations does not matter. What is it? To create an opportunity for the people to make the world better. So whenever the terrorist attack happened in the New Zealand, they had the opportunity to revisit their security program, to revisit their security training. Whenever there is something wrong happen, it is actually telling you that this was the weak portion of your boat. You have to improve this portion. So whenever there is this word, you are going to speak either situation, either challenge, either opportunity. This is what I wanted to share with you. Please share it with others. And also on our YouTube channel, Muhammad Farooq Buzdar, there are more than 200 research courses. There are more than 100 motivational videos. There are more than 200 book summaries. There are more than 200 full audio books. So I request you to share this channel with your friends. If you are here, this is a golden opportunity. Subscribe our channel, explore the